This brand is from American Standard, which is a part of Train Technologies, and the units are made in the USA through a joint venture, Metis, with Mitsubishi Electric. The units are only sold by factory-authorized dealers in the USA. All of their units feature active carbon and antibacterial air filters for improved indoor air quality. They have coated coils for corrosion resistance, a durable powder-coated outdoor unit, and base pan heaters to prevent ice buildup in the units. The M4THS M15 are basic multi-zone heat pumps that can serve up to 5 indoor air handlers from a single outdoor unit, while the M4THS17 models are basic single-zone units. The M3mHW22 is a premium heat pump that uses 115-volt power, which allows more flexibility in installation, while the M5THS23 has a 24 SEER efficiency and uses 208 to 230-volt power. The brand is backed by a very good guarantee, but it does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. For reviews of all of the brands and a head-to-head comparison tool, check out HvacForBeginners.com and shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store. You can also get cash back on your HVAC purchases when you sign up for Rakuten. When you use the link, HvacRepairGuy will earn a fee that costs you nothing, and you can get coupons for major discounts on all of your HVAC purchases.